In 3 days, I'm gonna have a profitable store and see if it's possible to turn $250 into a profitable business in only 72 hours. And the challenge starts now. If you guys wanna see if I can complete this challenge, make sure you stay to the end of the video and subscribe for more. So I needed a product, and after only 3 hours using my criteria, I was able to find a product that I was going to go ahead and actually use. And this was the criteria that I actually used to go ahead and find this product. Since I actually have desires to carry on with the store after the video, this is the product that I chose. And Mini, it was literally the platform that I used to find this product, way quicker than I normally would. Mini basically has everything you need when you're trying to find a profitable product, and especially as quick as possible. And this is good because we're doing a 72-hour challenge and we need to find us a product very fast. Then as usual, I went to shopify.com and made a store. We went and downloaded an app called DSers, so we would actually be able to import the product straight into our website and have an almost automatic fulfillment process when we're supplying our buyers. So then I spent the next couple hours building the store to make it look pretty cool so we actually go ahead and get sales. But then I started to realize if we're going to get this challenge done in only 72 hours, we do not have time to film the product. And what we're actually going to have to do is use other people's content and other ads from TikTok accounts and use them to actually go ahead and market it on TikTok ads. And after going through lots of competitive TikTok accounts, we went ahead and downloaded some creative so we can go ahead and market it with our product as well. And we needed to do this because we only had 72 hours to complete this challenge. Without that, it would have basically been impossible because we literally did not have time. So after setting up our TikTok ads as usual, things were actually different this time. Our ads were not getting approved. And at first, I didn't know why they weren't getting approved. And basically, I was trying to find a reason and answer why. And after thinking for a while, I realized that these was in the old days of TikTok where you can go and use other people's videos to use them as your creatives as your own. And these times are actually different, so we have to actually come up with our own creative because TikTok has some policy update or something like that. And that made it some copyright problems with our ads. So I literally sat there and created 4 different creatives using different videos and I just mashed them all together. They weren't my videos, of course. And I actually came out with a decent creative. And even after doing all that, our ads were still not getting approved. And I didn't know what the problem was. And I knew the problem couldn't be the creatives because this was 100% different. And so I thought my account has honestly just been flagged by the algorithm. And so I obviously have to fix this problem. So I went to the TikTok support team to try to get to the bottom of the situation. And they left me on red. And that was low-key annoying since we were running out of time. And I really didn't know what to do. I could have went to Facebook ads, but that obviously wouldn't have worked because the ads wouldn't have got approved. And then I realized something. XBuy has millions of people that you can connect with on Instagram to actually promote your product in your store. And so that's what I'm gonna do. So let's see if it works. So I signed up and checked out the cheapest influencers money can buy. And we didn't have that much of a budget, so we need to make sure we get the most out of the little budget that we actually had. So I connected with the influencers, bought the product, and sent it to the influencer house so they could shoot content with that product themselves. Because it was Amazon, the product was able to arrive relatively quickly. The influencer was able to shoot the content and have it up by day 2, which is cutting it close, but I let you spend most of my budget on the Instagram influencer just to get 1 story view and 1 actual reel for them to promote my product. So after using this influencer, we actually did not make that much money. They were able to drive a decent amount of visitors to the store, but we were only able to walk away with $136 in revenue, which is, I mean, that's okay. But I think the reason this challenge really didn't work out is maybe because I chose the cheapest one, but maybe if I would have went a little bit higher, maybe we would have got way more sales. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe.